Hello and welcome to a Bajadentistry educational video. Today we're going to be talking about dental cleanings. What is a dental cleaning? A dental cleaning is one of the most common dental procedures. Every tooth is lightly scraped and polished in order to give your teeth that classic after the dentist smooth feeling. We here at Bajadentistry recommend that these cleanings be done every 6 months. How long does a dental cleaning take? The general estimated time for a full mouth tooth cleaning is around an hour in order to get your teeth nice and clean. This time can change depending on your dental hygiene. The steps of a dental cleaning are as follows. First, the dentist will check your teeth to see what areas need what attention. Next, the teeth are lightly cleaned using a curette. This curette gently removes tartar and plaque from your teeth and gums. Next, floss is used to remove any plaque and residual tartar between the teeth. Finally, the teeth are polished using a special tool known as a Promfy cup. And that's it. Simple and quick. Is anesthesia needed? No, you don't need anesthesia for a dental cleaning. How much does it cost? On average, a simple dental cleaning here at Bajadentistry will cost approximately $40 US. This price does not include any x-rays you may need, nor does it include any other costs that come along with a dental checkup, but these are only when needed. We hope that this helped you to understand a bit more about dental cleanings here at our clinic. See you next time, and we wish you good oral health.